The FRP Hospitality. Finally, visitor recognition made simple and affordable for everyday businesses. Here's the deal. Grab a regular Android phone, install the app, and place your new digital guard right at the front desk. Trust us, you'll get along just fine. Connect our mutual friend via RTSP to your existing entrance camera. He'll keep an eye out and give you a heads up when it matters. If a visitor's in your database, their photo and color-coded status pop up instantly, and a Bluetooth earpiece plays a quick audio cue. Loyal customer or debtor. Had losses? Check the visit log, match it with your CCTV archive, and log the damage in their profile. They come back? The app gives you an early alert, just enough time to call security or police before they're even inside. And if it's a VIP guest, but your cashier is new on the job, our assistant discreetly reminds them who's who. FRP Hospitality, your mobile wingman for sharper service and smarter security. Find it in Google Play.